A new path to wellness with 5-ALA. Transforming your body from the mitochondria up. The key to our overall health lies in the mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell. 5-ALA is essentially that mitochondrial energy itself, and it helps enhance performance throughout the entire body. 5-ALA works on every cell in the body, enhancing energy metabolism. That's why it can help prevent obesity, improve skin moisture, and increase collagen density. In addition, 5-ALA has been reported to be beneficial for diabetes, improve sleep quality, and reduce fatigue and negative moods. It's a powerful ally in our daily lives. This 5-ALA is made at Fukuroi factory in Shizuoka Prefecture. Originally, this factory produced vitamin B2 for Roche. Now, KIYAN PHARMA, formerly Neo Pharma Japan from the United Arab Emirates, focuses on safety and quality to manufacture this product. Leveraging a history as one of the world's largest vitamin B2 production sites, we deliver safe and reliable products under stringent quality control. You should try our 5-ALA today and experience a boost from within. Scan the QR code or URL for more details and ordering options. Start a new health routine with 5-ALA. You can find papers on the efficacy and effects of 5-ALA on our website.